Brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex. I'm just flexing on my ex.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video by Callum, and in this video I'm going over my killer cold call script for social media marketing agency clients. Now, in no means am I an expert at this. I haven't been doing it very long. However, I've learned from people who have done this for a long time and who are great. So before we really kick things off, I just want to go over two different entrepreneurs I've learned from. The first one being Ollie Chapman. Now, Ollie is actually a fellow UK entrepreneur. Sorry if you can hear the rain in the background. It's quite loud. Probably going to be a thunderstorm soon, but hey ho, we got to put out this content. So, Ollie Chapman is a fellow UK entrepreneur who focuses on social media marketing, and he gains those clients through cold calling. And he puts a large emphasis on tonality and really gaining the meeting through cold calling. The second is Jordan Belfort. Now, you've probably heard of him as the Wolf of Wall Street. However, he has some seriously good content out on cold calling and really how to do that for your business. So in the description below, I'm going to put plugs for Ollie Chapman's social media marketing agency course and a video by Jordan Belfort on cold calling and how to do it well. So be sure to check out the description for those two videos because they are really going to help you out, guys. The course and the video, sorry. They're really, really going to help you out. So let's get right into this. I'm just going to get my notes up on my phone so I don't stutter or have to murmur at all. So firstly, I just wanted to talk about tonality, as this is a key aspect for cold calls because the way you speak to people is really going to show off really how they judge you, whether you are shy or confident, happy and enthusiastic, and clear. So I'm just going to write down, essentially, you want to sound confident on the phone because you really need to know what you're talking about in order to persuade these business owners to pay you. And obviously, I do stutter quite a bit. I'm not perfect at this. However, I'm constantly improving, and that is all that matters, guys. Because obviously, your first few cold calls aren't going to be great. The same with YouTube. Your videos aren't going to be great until you practice and you've really put out the content. So it's all about practice and really getting that script together. So you want to be confident on the phone. You want to speak as clearly as you can so that the business owner understands you. What else do I have? You want to you want to be enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Can't even spell. Enthusiast. Jeez, guys, sorry. So you want to be enthusiastic and happy because the way you come across to that business owner is going to determine whether or not they likely give you the meeting or hire you, depending on what you're trying to sell them. This doesn't just apply to social media marketing. So, following on from that, tonality, yeah, very important, probably the most important part, because the business owner does not see you. However, they have that mental image in their mind of what you are acting like as you're speaking to them over the phone. So, follow those points there, follow what I've said there. And now to get right into the script. So the actual script, you wants to consist of 4 different parts. So what I have down here is the first part being you want to disarm the business owner. And what I mean by this is you want to tell them your name, tell them what you do, and build that rapport with them, because without that rapport, and if they don't know what you are. Sorry, guys, dealing with constant distractions today. But as I was saying, you want to disarm the business owner, which means tell them what you do. Oh, tell them your name first. Tell them your name and what you do. So this essentially acts to build rapport with the business owner because they will then know exactly what you are doing. Not just calling them up, trying to sell them directly on the phone. That is not your objective. Your goal is to get the meeting with that business owner. The next part of the disarm phase is to essentially tell them that you're not going to be very long because obviously the business owner is busy. So you want to say something like, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I respect you're busy. I respect you're busy, and so am I. So I will not be more than 30 seconds or whatever. Obviously, this is kind of off the head, guys. I don't have my script in front of me right now. I'm probably going to release that as some sort of ebook for free in the future. So be sure to come back to this video. Jeez, be sure to come back to this video if you want to find that in future. So the second part of the 4 parts is how you can help the business owner. So it's all good in telling them that you own a Facebook ads agency or a social media marketing agency and your name, but you want to show them how you can help. So you basically just want to be saying something like, I've helped other local businesses in the area, or I've built my own dropshipping company, or something like that, guys. Just to show you have some kind of credibility. And if you don't have that kind of credibility, refer back to a previous video I did on how to gain clients, mostly through free work and building that reputation and those testimonials, because they're going to help you out so much in future. So you essentially want to say how you can help. And this basically ties into the reason for the call. So this is the last part of the cold call script, in a sense, the reason for the call. And essentially, the reason for the call is you want to get the meeting with the business owner. So you want to be clear in saying the reason for the call is to see if I can book in a 30 to 40-minute appointment with you sometime this week, in which I can discuss your current social media marketing plan. You obviously don't want to be selling your services on the actual cold call. That is what the meeting is for. So your goal is to get that meeting, and that is essentially why we are doing the cold calls. So all of this is going to take you approximately 30 to 40 seconds. So you want to have this script down and ready to be done and to get that meeting within 30 to 40 seconds, because you don't want to be taking up too much of their time, obviously. And this method is going to be so much more efficient than having to go to actual locations of the business or all that sort of stuff, guys. You just pick up the phone and you call. So I recommend crafting your script and practicing a lot. There are plenty of other videos on YouTube, or as I said, hang around until I release my free ebook on the actual cold call script you can build. So that's pretty much everything, guys. As I was saying, 2 different entrepreneurs here. Tonality is key. The script is all about disarming them, telling you how you can help them, and giving them the reason for the call. It's as simple as that, guys. You do not want to overcomplicate it. So if you found that helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Callum Lepley. Again, I've left all links to tools and resources in the description below. I'll see you in the next video, guys.